Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Python on Windows 10, and also along with that I will show you how to configure Python on IntelliJ software where you can practice your codes. Okay, it's very difficult to practice code when you install Python on Windows 10. It is very difficult to practice or debug codes on command prompt. Okay, that's why I will show you how to configure Python on IntelliJ also, so that you can practice your code and debug as well over there. Okay, so in order to download these two softwares, Python and IntelliJ, first thing what you have to do is you have to go to python.org site, and there you can go to downloads, and here you can see that download for Windows, and then you can download this. This is the latest version of Python. You can download 3.11 also. You can see the full list of downloads. Okay, but if it's better if you download the latest version of Python. Okay, if you click on this, it will start downloading. Then in order to download IntelliJ, you have to go to jetbrains.com. Okay, you have to go to jetbrains.com. See, if you type here jetbrains.com, this page will appear. And then in developer tools, you have to go to IntelliJ IDE. Click on IntelliJ IDE. And then if you scroll down, you will see a download option. Click on download. And then we don't have to download this ultimate version. We have to download this community edition version. Okay, so click on this download, it will start downloading. Okay, so once you finish the downloading, you can copy this in a separate folder or you can keep it in downloads also. I have copied this, I have already downloaded and copied this in the separate folder. Okay, so we will now start with the Python installation first, and then we will configure it out with IntelliJ. Okay, so in order to start the installation of Python, just double click on this. Okay, and in some PC, you will get this kind of pop-up. Okay, in some PCs, and in some of the PCs, you will be directly taken to the installation window, setup window. Okay, so if you get this kind of pop-up, just click on install anyway. Okay, and once you click on install anyway, a setup window will appear. Okay, here you have install now option and customize installation option. So below you can see that add python.exe to path. So you have to tick mark this option. Okay, it is very important. And then you just have to click on install now. So it will start the installation process. Setup process will take around 3 to 4 minutes, or in some cases it might take 5 to 6 minutes as well. Okay, and then once it is done, you will get a message stating setup was successful. Okay, you just have to click this, close this window. Okay, now your Python installation is done. But in order to verify that whether your Python is installed successfully or not, what you have to do is you have to go to command prompt. Okay, go to command prompt and type python version. Okay, it will show that whether your Python is installed or not. See, you can see here that Python 3.12.1 is installed. If you have to go to Python terminal, you just have to type Python over here and then enter. Okay, once you enter, your Python terminal will be seen over here on this window. And if you write anything here over here, print welcome to done with RD. Okay, if you put this, it will type. See, so it is working. But in command prompt, it's very difficult to write the codes in complete and debug as well over here. That's why we have to install. That's why I'm showing you how to configure this Python on IntelliJ software, where you can do the code practice properly and debug your codes as well. Okay, so let's minimize this one, or you can close as well. It depends on you. Okay. And now we will proceed with the IntelliJ software installation. Okay. Now, in order to install the IntelliJ software, you have to double click this software. Okay, just double click on this. Once you double click on that software, I'm getting this pop-up. So I will click on install anyway. Okay. And once you click on install anyway, you have to wait for some time. Okay. So it takes time to come up the window over there. Okay. So we will wait for some time. Sometimes you will get a pop-up or it will be seen on the taskbar of your computer. You'll get a pop-up that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So you just have to click on yes. Okay. Once you click on yes, this setup window will appear. Okay. You just have to click next over here and then again click on next. See, remember that we have downloaded 2023.3 version. Okay. If you download like 2022 dot any older version, the setup process might differ. Okay. So I will just click on next over here. Okay. And then you can create shortcut or it depends on you. But I will check mark this as well to create shortcut on the desktop. Okay. And then proceed with next. Okay. And then install. Then here the installation process will start. Okay. Once your installation process starts, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes or 7 to 8 minutes as well in order to complete this installation process. Okay. So we will wait for some time. Once your installation is completed, the progress bar completes, this window will appear. Okay. And you just have to click on finish and your IntelliJ software installation is done. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have installed Python also and we have installed IntelliJ software as well. Okay. It is IDE, Integrated Development Environment for practicing of Python. Okay. You can practice PyCharm also in this. So now next step is we have to configure Python on IntelliJ software. Okay. So what I will do is I will open IntelliJ. Okay. See, it is installed now. You can see in the startup bar. Okay. In the start menu, you can see that. So if you search for IntelliJ, it will come up, Community Edition. So once you click on that, a window will appear. Okay. It was in the taskbar. Okay. See, it was in the taskbar here. It came in the taskbar. I opened it. It's saying that configure or install directly or do not import settings. So if you come across this kind of pop-up, then just click on do not import settings. Okay. For some of the, whenever someone installs it newly, he will directly enter into the startup window of the IntelliJ. Okay. So if you click on this OK, a window will appear, which most of the people will see when they will install it newly. Okay. So this kind of window you will see when you are installing it in the first time. But if you are also getting that window, just click on do not import settings. Okay. So here what we will do first is we will go to plugins and here you can see marketplace, right? In marketplace, here you have to search for Python. Just search for Python and the Python softwares will come up. Okay. And we have to install Python Community Edition. Click on install over here. Okay. This will also take around 3 to 4 minutes for you to complete the installation. Okay. So we will wait for some time. Once the installation is done, for some, it will ask to restart the ID. For some, it might not ask. Okay. So for the some people whom they are asking to restart the ID, just click on restart ID. Okay. Once you click on restart, what will happen after some time, the window will reappear. Okay. It is just restarting your IntelliJ application. That's it. Okay. So it will take some time and it will come up on its own. Okay. It will start automatically. See, now it is starting up and you can in the taskbar, you can see that pop-up had came already. See, if you click on here or the window will appear here only. So if you now we have done the install the Python from the marketplace. Now what you have to do is in projects, you have to click on new project. Okay. Once you click on the new project, another window will reappear, new project. So you can create multiple projects over here. Okay. So I will show you how to create one and we will give this project one. Okay. We will give the topic as project one here and location keep it as it is in language instead of Java. See, these are the options. You have to click on Python. If you click on Python, these options will come up. Environment, you have to keep new. Environment type, you have to keep it as virtual env. Okay. And location, you have to keep by default, whatever it is. And base interpreter, keep as it is. You just have to click on this inherent global site packages. Okay. And then click on create. Okay. Once you click on create, it will start creating the virtual environment for you. Okay. This creation of virtual environment will also take some time. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes as well. Okay. So if you see, it is updating, right? See, loading project one. And in the bottom right corner, you can see that it is scanning files, it is updating, indexing. See, you can see it over here, right? So you have to wait until this is completed. This virtual environment creation is completed. Okay, just close this window if anything pops up. Okay, and you can see in the bottom right corner, it is showing show all. See here, you can see that some of the process are still in progress. Okay, it is updating indexes, it is updating Python interpreter, then it is scanning files to index. So once this is completed, then only go further. Okay, till then you have to wait. Okay, so it will take around 3 to 4 minutes max. Okay, see, now it is about to complete. Updating indexes, see, this is done, right? So once this everything is done, whatever the virtual environment requires, then your project is created over here for you to practice Python. Okay, you can create multiple projects also, not a problem. Okay, so once you create your project, you just have to right click on this. I will just maximize this window. You just have to right click on your project one. Okay, once you right click, you can see new. Okay, you can see new over here, and I will again right click. Once you click on new and just click on Python file. Okay, and you have to give the name to your Python file. Like just give it as finance, and just click on enter, or you can double click this Python file here. So it will create a Python finance.py. This is the extension of Python. Okay, and here you can start writing your code. So if you write any code over here, like example, I will write activity equal to input. Okay, please enter your choice. Okay, if you write this, I'm just giving it is as a sample for you. Okay, if water, okay, water in activity print welcome to water. Okay, so what you have to do is you can do this is the finance.py file, right? And you can see here that run option, see, in triangular format, run finance.py. So if you click on this, it will start running, it will run the code, right? So you can write here water park or anything, like you can write anything here, water park. So it will say welcome to water park, like anything is fine. Okay, and then you can create multiple files also here. See, if you right click new and again Python file, give another name. Okay, finance 2 I will give, and just click double click on enter. I will just click on enter, and here also you can parallelly start your another coding. Okay, this will all will be included in your project one. Okay, and at the same time you can create project two also, not a problem. Okay, see, new project. So if you click on new project, your new project will also appear. Why this is helpful? Because it helps you to indicate lot of things. It will help you to write codes properly. It will help you to troubleshoot as well. It will help you to debug your codes, and it is showing you everything in color code. See, everything you enter is in color code. Like your strings are in green, your functions are in blue, right? Your variables are in white, right? So this is what helps you. This IntelliJ software will help you to write codes properly and troubleshoot your codes as well over here. Okay, so this was all about installation. Hope you like this video. This is all for today. Thank you.